Hey guys, Ben from ByteDelight. I know some people still are waiting for their orders. I'm very sorry for that. As you know, I've been working a lot here on the new ByteDelight headquarters. It's about finished now, but a couple of things that still need to be done because of all the work. I have some backlog of orders and messages and emails and Facebook things and lots more. So my apologies for that. What I want to do is make a beautiful new video about the headquarters and all the new features here, and it really will speed up things like production and lots of other things. But a couple of things still need to be done, as I said. For example, I need to install here the pick and place machine. I still have to order it, but it's because I'm not sure yet which type I want to use. Either the light placer from Finland or a model from China. Fortunately, I have the opportunity to watch the light placer in action with someone nearby, so I will check that out very soon and then decide. So production will speed up after that is installed. Other than that, lots of stuff has been improved here, like my new programming hardware and test setups here. I'm using them already. As you can see here, I'm still doing a lot of production by hand at the moment. Of course, that will still take place in the future for some amount, because I probably will not be able to automate production of all kinds of interfaces, but who knows. The only question is when I will focus on ByteDelight only. Depends on a lot of things like insurances, the sales volume, and lots of other things. But I know people are waiting, and I promise a lot of things like new interfaces and more of that. So really hope you can wait a bit longer. I'm doing my best. I'm working night and days almost. I like it a lot. Of course, I have to spend time with my family as well. Well, anyway, we'll speak to you later. Thank you for your patience. My apologies again for people who are still waiting. Backlog is about from 1 week ago now, so I'm catching up. And so, see you later, and hope my next video will be the awesome video with all the details of this new workplace. Bye!